Hello friends, if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. 6 ways to get your ex back. If you want to get your ex back, there are a few simple dating tips you must follow. However, it is not always easy to get back with your ex, especially when the relationship ends badly or you are still dealing with hurt. Maybe they don't feel the same way. Here are a few ways to get your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend back. Number 1. Go slow. The first tip is to take things slow and try to treat this as if it will be a new relationship. The problem with an ex is that you know them or you think you know them. Don't rush back into things. Try to let go of any assumptions you may have. You need to get to know this new person and let them get to know you and the changes you have both made. I would even avoid contacting them for at least a couple weeks after the breakup. Give it time to make sure you both still miss and want to be with each other. Make sure they are still interested and want to get back together as much as you do. Hang out with your ex in a non-committed way to begin with. Don't jump right back into a relationship. Go on dates first. But before you get back with them, take some time first for yourself. Hang out with friends and go out and have some fun. Do things that you used to do before your ex, or maybe do things that your ex didn't want to do. Number 2. Work on yourself. Lose weight and get healthy. Maybe go back to school or look at what else you might want to change in your life. Do these things for yourself, not for your ex. But improving yourself will also draw others to you as well. Changing your appearance will help shake things up, make you more confident and attractive. Maybe change your hairstyle and get some new clothes as well. Also work on the inside so that you are more confident and healthy. Number 3. Do not be desperate when you do start to talk with them, and remember to start out slow, by calling or texting. Try not to seem too needy or lonely. Give your ex some space to realize what they are missing. Go out on other dates and let them go out on other dates. Don't rub it in your ex's face, but do it so you can get a fresh perspective and a chance for yourself, and they will do the same. Here are a few signs of a desperate man. Number 4. Work out issues. If you both come to the realization that the others aren't working for you, then great. However, do take into consideration what caused the breakup. Are there some things you might need to work on to be in a relationship, whether it is with your ex or with anyone? Are there specific things your ex or others complain about? Are there things you think you might need to work on? Are there things you want them to work on? Do you need to give yourself time to deal with the hurt or other issues from the past? Make sure you both deal with whatever problems caused you to break up before you are ready to jump back into a relationship. Your ex will notice faster than anyone if those old issues are still unresolved. Number 5. Let go of the past. You don't need to talk about what happened while you were apart either. Don't ask about their dates and don't tell them about yours. Whatever happened, happened. You are both adults. What is important is that you both would rather be together than with anyone else. Number 6. Commitment. And if the breakup was about commitment issues, then make a grand gesture, buy a ring, give them the key to your apartment, or move in together. Most people won't get back into a relationship without proof that things have changed or that the relationship is moving forward. If there were other issues involved, then a chivalrous act is always nice. Buy them flowers or write them poetry. Make it a sincere gesture to show them you are sorry and that you truly miss them and don't want to live without them. Everybody wants to know they are wanted.